Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm going to make another healthy smoothie, vegetable and fruit smoothie. This time it's gonna be celery and carrot smoothie with a little bit of banana and honey. Nowadays we really need healthy stuff and healthy drinks, you know, especially me. I'm trying to lose weight, and also it's good for our health and it's a lot of nutrition. So well then, I'm going to show how to make celery, carrots with a little bit of banana and honey smoothie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other recipes here and smoothie, healthy stuff here in my channel, and check out my playlist, okay? So well then, let's start doing it. Of course, we need celery and carrots and one banana and also my favorite honey. Then let's start chopping the celery. Then our carrots. And don't forget to wash our vegetables. First, the carrots and the celery. And let's add one banana. We can add a little bit of honey, pure honey, because I want it a little bit sweet. So I'm going to put some raw forest honey. Just enough amount. And of course, don't forget a little bit of water. Yeah, just a little bit. That's enough. See, look at that. Yep. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, I think it's almost done. Yeah. Looks so good. Yes. Okay, I think a little bit more. I think it's ready. Yes, this is our carrot, celery plus banana smoothie. Yes, so it's time to prepare this delicious and nutritious drink. Oh yes, here's my finished product. Carrot, celery plus banana and honey smoothie. Such a healthy drink, very nutritious and powerful. Okay, it's very easy to make, you know. And now it's time to try it. Okay. It tastes so good, you know. I think if it's only carrots and celery, it's too vegetable taste. So just for a twist, I add some honey and banana. Just that's the way I like it. tastes really good. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other recipes here and smoothies, healthy stuff here in my channel. Just check the playlist, alright? See you again to my next vlog, and again, thank you.